Hello guys, I'll teach you how to do these soundboards for every girl tag fan game I do. I'm about to show you right now in this video. So first thing you want to do is install Lightning Launcher. Just pause it if you want to spell it out. Once you got that installed, you'll be on this thingy right here. Then you want to go to here and click apps. Then once you're in apps, then click files. Then you have to get a sound. It's a WAV file. Oh wait, that's an MP4. What the where's the WAV file I had? Is this the... Hold on, I gotta look for the file. That's a WAV file. MP3, okay. Just skip like in probably 2 minutes, like a couple of minutes ahead probably, just in case it just takes too long. Go in the description if you don't want to just watch this all. I'll put the timestamp in the description. It's MP3. Okay, this is the one that's Homer drops it on MP. So we got this. Alright. Hold on. Alright guys, we're gonna go to the part. This is the part that you want is important. Hold on. What the So yeah, this is the thingy we have to need. So you're just gonna wanna just hold down on it, then click these 3 dots right here, hit move to, then go to this Oculus or headset, see right here, Android, then hit move, then click to here, then hit Android, then go to the thingy that you want to get, hold down on it, then you want to scroll up a little bit, then the part right here that we got right inside of it, it's gonna hit move. You have to just accidentally hit meta. Alright. It's this one, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna check this case. Yep, right one. Just pretend that didn't happen. So once this is in this data, then you want to take Homework Drops Donny, then you should look for the company that made it, the figgy. So Pumpkin Productions is a company that made this game called Teddy's Pizzeria. I'm about to review the mod menu soon. So we got this. So we take that. We just hold down on it, put it into files. Then once it's in files, take it again. Then alright. It's not gonna work. I like to do that sometimes. Pumpkin Productions. For your game, it might not be Pumpkin Productions. It might be a different company. But you just gotta find the company of the thing that made it. So once you select it down, hit sounds, then you should have it in your game now. So go to the game that you want to be in. Just hit, by the way, you can do this in, you can do it inside the game too. So once you're in the game, just open the menu, then click soundboard, then it's in the game. This isn't going to be the menu I'm going to show you because I don't want to show this menu. I'll do it another time though, but once you click it, you can listen to it now.
Homer drops his donut, no. Homer spills his soda, no. Homer hits the doorway, no. Homer ruins his whole day, no. Every little slip, every little pain, same old story again and again. Homer falls out of the plane, no. Sun or shine or pouring rain.
Alright! If you want to pause it, if you want to stop it, you can hit stop sounds. So if you want to stop it, you can hit stop sounds, but if you want to hit hear all, everyone can hear it probably. It makes a better sound so people can hear it. So hit stop sounds, look. You stop the sound, and hit reload sounds. So once you got your file that you want to have it inside of here, you're gonna have to hit reload sounds and it should be there. Alright, I'm trying to explain it better so you guys understand. So once you have it in the file, if you're in the game, once you put it into the file that you need for the soundboard, you're probably like, where is it? Where is it? Why can't I see it? Because you have to hit reload sounds. I'm going to put another sound in to show you for example. I mean. Just do the steps again. Just oh my, it's selected it all. It keeps it selected it all. Gonna close it out. I'll soon teach you how to do your own, to make your own sounds on here. If you already know how to do that, cool, good for you. So once you put another file to the sounds in the game, alright, so you don't, so if I hit back, soundboard, you don't see it, see? How much times you click stuff, random stuff, you don't see it again. Because you gotta hit reload sounds. It should be there, see? Just got there.
It's great here at Teddy Pizzeria. I wanna hug you. I'm Dave.
I just got distracted, sorry about that. But that's all for it now. I might not put the timestamp in the description because I'm a little bit too lazy. But I'll put the Discord in the description so you can so you can get the sounds if you want. But soon I'm gonna put my phone number on it so you guys can just click on it. Alright, see ya.